This video, let's take a look at how to remove Facebook Messenger group chat. If you're trying to completely remove an existing group chat that you have on your Facebook Messenger, let me show you how it's done. Now, before you are able to delete a group chat on Messenger, make sure that you are the admin. If you are not the admin of a group on Messenger, you won't be able to remove or delete that group. If you are the admin of the group, just open up the chat section of the group and then tap on the eye icon on the top right. From here, under chat info, you can see an option of see members. Tap on this option. Now, before I show you, let me tell you that there is no straight option of deleting the group chat all at once. As you can see in this section also, there is no option of deleting the entire group chat. You can only delete the messages, which is the last option, but there is no option of removing the entire group at once. So in this case, what you can do is individually remove people from that group. So head over to the members list, tap on the person and tap on remove from group chat. So you'll need to do that for every single person that is on the group, and because you're an admin of the group, you have the access of doing that. Once you remove every person from the group, the last thing that you need to do is leave the group for yourself. So just tap on your name again and you'll have an option of leave conversation. This way the entire group will be completely deleted and no one else can access it anymore. So that's the way of deleting or removing Facebook Messenger group chat. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.